Today at Audio City USA, we're bringing you Crash Course Episode 1. We're going to be talking about camber. What is camber? How does it affect your vehicle? We've got Anthony, our resident expert. Let's go. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe because we bring out videos every week. Without further ado, let's jump in. Today, we're talking about camber. Now, simply put, what is camber?
Camber is basically the alignment of your vehicle. So a lot of people don't even know it, right? And some like the new Cadillacs, they have camber for specific reasons and performance, and they don't even know it, and they're wearing out their tires. It's just the alignment of the way the vehicle is.
What does it look like? Is it the way that, if these are the wheels, is it the way they tip in? What is
exactly?
camber?
So it's like another way you can say it is like if it's straight and you lower your car, the wheels are going to do this. They're going to butterfly. It's a natural camber. You can get things to fix your camber. Like when you do this, you get to negative camber.
Tipping outwards is negative or tipping inwards is negative?
Negative when you go like this, and the more you go like this, the more negative it's going to get.
Okay.
So, and then there's ways to fix it. You can get parts for it, camber correction. We can get you the parts. I know Iroc and H&R Springs, they sell parts like that. We can get.
Why does someone need to know about camber? What's so important about it, and how does it affect their vehicle?
Because it affects the performance, tire wear. It affects so many different things. And like as far as even F1 cars.
Yes.
Have you seen their car? Have you seen their tires? They're literally like this, slanted, and they do that for performance purposes only.
So you can actually gain a performance advantage with camber.
I mean, Rick's C43, his car has camber, and he doesn't even know, and his tires are all worn on the inside. They do that for a reason. It's for performance.
So the positives of that is the performance, but the negative side of camber, you would say, is probably the tire wear mostly, right?
Yeah, 100%. Some customers actually get mad at us. Hey, my tires are worn out. Tires are no good. No, that's just your alignment. You need either we fix your alignment or get a different car because that's the way the car is made.
And I mean, obviously, guys, we also see camber in the street community because people like to camber out their cars, like make them slam and really give it some camber, which we don't recommend for performance reasons. You're going to wear out your tires. But if it's a stylistic thing, okay. You guys have probably seen camber in the wild. You just might not have known what it's called. As Anthony said, it's on Formula 1 cars. It's on street cars when they slam them and they stance them out. It's out there, but that is called camber. So you have negative camber where it tips in at the top, and you have positive camber where it bows out. Camber is one of those things you need to know because it also affects fitment, doesn't it?
100%. That's the most important part. That's the first thing I ask the customer. Is your car lowered or not? And they're like, why? Well, because it affects how the wheel's going to sit. Let's say we put 20s on let's say a BMW, right? And if it's stocked, it sits flush, right?
Yeah.
With the offset rating. If it's lowered, it's going to do this. It's going to sit a natural camber. So we want a little bit more of an aggressive offset because it's lowered to kick them out more to sit more flush. That's important to know.
And if you guys want to learn about offset, go and check out our other video, which we'll put in the comments below, because that is a whole separate topic which we dive into and explain. And if you guys are enjoying our explainer series and our crash course, be sure to like and stay tuned because we're bringing this out.
And then if you guys have more specific, more detailed, in-depth information you guys want, give us a call at 888-814-1158. You can either ask for me, Anthony, Gilbert, Santiago, any of the sales guys there. They've more than 15 plus 20 years of experience. We'll help you guys out with any information you guys need.
Absolutely. So what are the three takeaways we have with camber? The performance advantage.
Performance.
Yeah.
You want it specifically for a fitment. You know, if you want negative camber, you want that specific look. The last one is it comes with tire wear. If you want the performance, you got to know that it's going to wear out much faster. If you can deal with that and keep buying tires, then some of the camber is it's going to benefit you for performance.
Absolutely, guys. I hope this video has helped you with camber. If you want to learn more about it, please contact our experts at AudioCityUSA.com, or alternatively, go and call the number in the description. We have over 30 years of experience. We can help you with anything you need. Audio City USA is your one-stop shop. My name is Andy.
My name's Anthony.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.